This is a typical square root problem where you have to calculate the value of square root of 9 minus square root of 8. To solve this problem, first we have to simplify this equation as square root of 9 is equals to 3 minus 8 can be written as 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. This is equals to square root of 3 minus this can be written as 2 square root of 2, which is equals to square root of 3 is equals to 2 plus 1 minus 2 square root of 2, which is equals to this can be written as square root of 2 is equals to square root of 2 square plus 1 square minus 2 square root of 2. Now let's assume if a equals to square root of 2 and b equals to 1. So this can be simplified to square root of a square plus b square minus 2 multiply a multiply b. So this is now in the form of a minus b whole square. So the square cancels the square root. So this is equals to a minus b. So this is simplified to a equals to square root 2 minus b equals to 1. Square root 2 is equals to 1.41 minus 1 is equals to 0.41.